Hi there, it's Ginger Bratzel from gingerbratzel.com, a new patient attraction automation, and I am wearing a special shirt today, and I have a story I want to tell you because something's happened here, and I want to be honest with you that I might break down just telling you about it, but there's so many wonderful things that I've seen the last couple weeks that I want to share with you, the world, that we all can learn from and benefit from, and it only makes us all better. So I want you to know about that. You may not know it, but we are in Oklahoma City, and yes, we were affected by the tornadoes. Our friends, our neighbor, our community, it's just been devastating. You've seen the news stories, and I don't need to rehash that from you. When I left practice in New Mexico, we are outside, guys. I came to Oklahoma for a reason. I love this place, and it called me. We didn't know a single soul when we moved to Oklahoma City, but it just always called us. And then after being here through this experience, I understand it even more why it was destined for us to be here. I mean, what we love most about Oklahoma, it's a beautiful state, but it's the people. I mean, they are extremely strong, they're generous, they're genuine people, and even though it's a whole state, it is still one little community. And even if you don't know someone, they are still your friendly neighbor, and they will be there at any time when you need them, day or night. And it just proved to the world that's what happened the last couple weeks. I mean, natural disasters happen everywhere across the country, everywhere in the world. So right now it's happening in Oklahoma, and we need your help. And I'm asking for your help on behalf of my friends and neighbors in my adopted state of Oklahoma City. You know, the big takeaway and how this relates back to us, everyone in their practice, is that you need to live your life with a purpose and on purpose every day. You know, don't just go through and drift through life or let your big mission get derailed, because things are always going to happen. And that is always our priority, is to get back to that. That should be our focus. You know, I've learned about 6 or 7 tips that I want to share with you from the people in my adopted state of Oklahoma, and how this relates back to us in our lives and our business that I want to share with you. Number one thing about Oklahoma we like, there is no victim mentality here, only victors. There's no whining about the economy, there's no whining about a raw deal. People make things happen, and that's why it's a prosperous area regardless of what's going on in the rest of the world. And even this week, that's what the mission still continues. Even if you get knocked down, you're not knocked out. And so it's been so wonderful to be here to share that and be part of that with the people. Number 2, live with your life with a purpose and passion. You know, in Oklahoma, it's God and family, community, college football, and then of course the Oklahoma Thunder. And this is why we are Loud City, because everyone contributes. The first ones on the scene when all this happened was not FEMA, it was the churches. And they were organized, they had disaster teams, and they were there to help people, because that's what you do in Oklahoma. Number 3, go on living your life. We don't live in fear, we go on. Things happen. Even though it's derailed and massive, we keep going on. The phrase is okay, and it refers to a status of being all right, but also it's the state of Oklahoma. We are the okay state, and we will be okay together. Number 4, just like we always talk about with these videos about marketing for your business, there is no quick fixes, there's no magic bullets, but we are moving forward bravely and onward, and we will take significant investment and work along the way in time, but it will get done, and we're always making progress. Things are so much better just even 2 weeks ago, okay? Number 5, use data to make good decisions for yourself, your family, and your business. We rely on these weather guys who are so great on letting us know, keeping us informed, and let us be up to date. That's why there wasn't more people that were lost. Be in the know for yourself and your business, okay? Number 6, help your community by going on with your business. I mean, there's examples of this all over. People are helping people, and they're still going on. These people need to know those businesses are there when they need them, and when they come back, the houses come back, the people come back, those community, that will still be there. And number 7, help even if you're across the country. We have a thing called the Oklahoma Standard here. That means you help your neighbors. So when this happened, people pulled up a pickup full of and loads of people, gloves and rakes and hose and gloves and just anything to happen. And if you have something happen around here, you will have 50 of your new best friends that you've never met before that are there to help you when all the dust is settled. Now, I can't tell you what that means to me and what it means to all of us in this country. And I just want to invite all of you to be part of the Oklahoma Standard, to rise up and help your neighbor even though you're across the country. You know, it's going to take a while, a long while for this to happen and come back, but everybody's going to make that happen. And we're asking for your help too. I mean, right now there's a lot of resources on the ground. It's a lot of work still to do, but it's going to take a while. And honestly, to be really frank, it was going to take money. And I'm asking for your help in doing that. And I know you see the commercials, you've seen the videos. I'm telling you from someone local, we need help. And there's some organizations that you might not know about because they are local. And so I'm going to give you some resources on my page of how you can contribute. And there's a lot of different ways. You know, I love mobile, and there's ways to donate through the mobile devices. There's also some local charities that are available in our area that go directly to benefit the victims. You know, we're in the Moore School District. You know what Moore is. And there's a charity for the kids of Moore. That's 100% of it goes to them, to their families, and the teachers who laid down their bodies and protected our kids. So, sorry. So, I'm asking you, on behalf of all the dentists in the country and the world, you know, to pay it forward, and you will feel better about it, and you're investing in a good community, and we will be there, Oklahoma Standard, to help you guys when things happen too. So, this is Ginger Bratzel. Lots of love. Thank you from Oklahoma, and thank you from my heart. Bye-bye.